Hi there, this is Sujata Pai and welcome to my today's YouTube video. We have just few more days to come to Mumbai, our much awaited solo show. And this is one more sneak peek into what Ampi is bringing to our Mumbai exhibition. So as you see what I'm wearing is a lovely shibori. Shibori is basically a Japanese technique of tie and dye. It is very minutely done. Of course, Ampi has given the patent design to our karigar to do this. And if you see, it is takes really a long time to do this needlework. This is not something machine shibori, it is a hand done shibori. And so being a Japanese technique, I style this very much like a Japanese kimono style, which is ideal for our Indian summer. So this is my shibori style for you all. And this top also has, if you can see, just bring it close by, you can see there is a lovely kantha detailing, the stitch kantha stitch detailing. So Ambi likes all this detailing, and when we style it, and it does help to make enhance the look of the garment. And besides, this is a lovely pink, and I bringing to Mumbai, there are some more, but few that I can show you is this color. It's a lovely mustard. See the look of the shibori. Then there is a gray which is coming, which is a smoke gray color. My favorite actually. I love the smoke gray color. And these fabrics are all about 2.5 meters. So it's not necessary that you have to style the way I have styled it. You can style it differently. You have your person to do your stitching, your tailors. Yeah, we can help you with the style. If you want us to take the tailoring orders, we will take it in Mumbai. And this is a lovely blue. It's not an ink blue, but it's a lovely shade of blue which goes very well with the Indian skin tone. As you see, the pattern of shibori very clearly done on this. And the base fabric is chanderi, again, which is a very hand woven fabric. And these things you can do only on a hand woven fabrics, whether it's a silk or a chanderi or maheshwari, things like that, because it goes through all these very minute needle tying and then goes through the dyeing process. And being a sustainable brand, I'm trying to make it as sustainable, as organic the colors it should come on each of these fabrics. But yes, we also take orders if you have some color in mind which we don't have and you want something, we can do it on your shade of your favorite shade of color. And this is one more, and couple of more are happening. It's still in the process. I think by the time we reach Mumbai, we'll have few more. And then, yeah, this is a lovely red. So now that you got a sneak peek of what we are bringing, this small shibori collection, which is an add-on to our larger collection that we are bringing to Mumbai exhibition. So please come to our show exhibition. It's just for 2 days and make most of it. And yes, like I said, if you like anything in shibori, we help you with the colors. If you want, we take orders on this. That's why we are bringing limited pieces, because it is a very labor long hours taken to do the shibori. And whatever is there, we are taking on more orders if it is over with our collection. And even if the colors which we have and you want something else, we will do for you as a customized collection for you in shibori. And of course, the styling, as I told you, will take your tailoring order, or if you don't want us to do that, we can help you with the styles on these shibori. And before I end this video, message to you all is beware of this shibori. There are a lot of fake shiboris happening in the market, which is machine made, which the holes are put by machine and then they are dyeing it and all that. Go for the authentic stuff. Yes, it will be a little pricey than what you see in the market, but at least you know you're wearing a art which is hand woven, handcrafted, and not something which is machine made. And the look of it is definitely different. And yes, of course, a good finish and good styling will make all the difference. So, thank you.